Hi, my name is Julia Messick. I'm the showroom manager here at Atlantic Graphic Systems in Columbia, Maryland. Today we're going to be showcasing the Xante X-33 printer. First, let's go over the overall specs on the machine. The dimensions of the printer are 58 inches in length by 63 inches in width and 24 inches in height. The weight of the machine is 392 pounds, and the power supply needed is 110 or 220. The media and bed size is 24 by 36 inches with up to 6 inches of printable height. The resolution of the printer can be from 720 dpi to 2880 dpi. Beside the printhead are dual LED low heat curing lamps, which allow for instant curing. X33 print colors are CMYK plus white, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and includes white UV ink as well. UV inks are known for their instant curing, which are facilitated by LED lights. By curing instantaneously, this allows for post-finishing actions to occur, such as cutting, laminating, and applying almost immediately. Now that you have a better understanding of what our X33 is capable of, let's look at the software that's included with your purchase, Xante iQueue. Xante iQueue is a digital color workflow with advanced color matching and file management tools. If you have ever interacted with an imposition software, this is very similar. First, an overview of the software. On the top are shortcuts to do actions such as open a file, print, and open templates. Left of our screen are the file organizations in different folders you can create for different jobs, maintenance files, and more. The great thing about Xante is if you buy multiple of their variations of format equipment, they will all run through iQueue down on the bottom here. For example, here is our showroom. We have a Xante end press that is also connected. For our demo today, we are going to show the imposition of an 18 by 24 sign, 2 up on the bed, and a unique print on a golf ball jig. First, our signs. We are going to bring them in my file via downloads. Once the job is loaded, we are going to double click on the job and open up our job ticket. You can see on our job ticket the left side is where our menus and options are for the job. The target device on the top left is where you can send it to, if you have multiple Xante devices connected to iQueue. The first option that pops up is our job preview. This is going to give you a visual rendering of the job. Let's go over the most used menus that appear for every job ticket. This menu is printer settings. This is where you can apply the quality, color mode, output, and printer options for this ticket. Next menu is in position. This is where you can edit the size, have multiple copies up, and apply printer's marks. Next menu is our white settings. This allows you to apply white to the entire job, under print area, and under ink. In here, you can apply how many layers of white you would like and the undertrap for good registration. Add-ons is where you can apply images and text on the go. This menu will be used when we make the jigs for golf balls. Our last menu is the Write On page. This gives you the opportunity to color match if you are hitting a certain Pantone swatch or have a color critical job. In addition, the job cost menu shows how much the job costs and the ink consumption as well. Awesome, let's get this job ready for print. Now I'm going to show you the steps in order to make the signs 2 up on the X33 bed. Great, I'll finish with my imposition. Now time to make sure my printer settings are in place for my job ticket. For this job, I'm going to go high speed to show the fast printing capability. All I need to do is press the print output icon or drag it down to the printer to start my print. Let's head over to the X33 bed and load my media. First, I will position both my pre-cut 18 by 24 signs in line with the bed dimensions. In order to do this, I will extend my bed all the way out to the operator side. To do this, I'm simply pressing the back key. If I need more room to navigate, the control panel on the X33 slides out for convenient loading. And our printing is done. It took about 40 seconds for it to print 2 up 18 by 24 signs on a 24 by 36 bed. Our second demo will be using a jig provided from Xante at your purchase of an X-33. One side is for golf balls, ping pong balls, and even poker chips. And the other side is for business cards and ID cards. As you can see, I already have my jig loaded up with ping pong balls. Let's head over to Xante iQueue to set up our job. The great thing about Xante iQueue are the job templates. They already have made a template for this job. That's what we're going to use to set up the file. Xante has optimized this file for the jig they provide. Under Add-ons is where we will insert the image we want to run. Here is where I can add the logo or image we are going to print on the balls. Next, an optional step is going under white settings. If I wanted to print white under my multicolor balls, this is where I can add the layers and undertrap in order to do so. Lastly, under print settings, I'm going to apply my head height and my image resolution for the ping pong balls. Now we're ready to send the job to print. Getting ready to load our ping pong balls, loading is the exact same way as we did with our signs, lining it up to the edge of the bed and then raising our print head height. And our ping pong balls are done. It printed 40 balls in 19 seconds. Here's an example we did without white, and here's one with white. And that was our last demo for today. If you have any questions or want to learn more, or even want to come in for your own demo or run some files, contact us today. My name is Julia Messick, and thank you for coming to our virtual showroom here at Atlantic Graphic Systems.